So these are the Jordan 1 Mochas that we are going to be turning into a different shoe. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is I really don't know where I'm going to start cutting. But I know like I'm gonna like put, I know personally what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like make a mark right here or something like that. You know, just like a little mark to determine where I'm gonna cut them. Let's see what happens. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but I'm gonna cut right underneath the ace. Okay, I'm starting to see like it is actually, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's starting to actually really cut. So we're cutting, yeah, let's cut right underneath it to see. Alright, Dozy Gang, now before we end today's video, I got one more important message for you guys. So as you guys can tell, I changed my name from Flow with Sir to Only Dozy. I changed my YouTube name. I made a new Instagram. I'm gonna pop up my Instagram right here. Make sure y'all go shoot me a follow on there, get my followers up. And yeah, you might be wondering why did I change it. I'm gonna do a video in the future to actually show y'all the, you know, more details why I did it, you know, the reasoning behind it and all that. So I'm not just giving you guys a short answer, but some of my YouTube videos still say Flow with Sir, and some of them do say Only Dozy. So I think it's just like a timing thing. So in a couple days, they might all say Only Dozy. But yeah, so let me know if you guys really mess with these Jordan 1s. Like if these actually dropped on like sneakers or something like that, would you guys actually cop these? And show y'all some of the details. I'm gonna post up some pictures right after this so y'all can see actual details of them. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know, follow my Instagram, my new Instagram, and yeah, stay tuned so y'all can see these pictures. Let's get it.